मैले अस्ति दराजबाट सामानहरू मगाएको थिएँ सो आज आएको छ तर दराजको बक्समा आएको छैन सो I'm gonna unbox it right away. Okay, here we go. Sophie's. Let me see. Let me open one by one. Wow, it's a toy. You can keep it anywhere you want. Okay, okay, next one is your toilet flusher. You spray flusher. Yeah, it's a spray. हजुरहरूले देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ यहाँ एउटा रबर छ यो निकालेर यसमा पानी हाल्ने हो अनि फेरि अनि यो खोल्दाखेरि you can surprise your friends or your enemy. It's a nice surprise. Okay, next one is Gautam Buddha showpiece. It's a statue. As you can see, it's really nice. Okay. Even this one is a statue of a bear. Even you can keep it anywhere you want. Living room ma rakhna sakनुहुन्छ आफ्नो bedroom ma. As you can see, it's really nice. And I'm gonna keep all of these aside. Even you पनि एकदमै safely राखेको छ. The donation. It's white, made with marble. अनि gold plated छ. यो हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ यो gold lines छ, golden lines. अनि यो marble ले बनेको छ. It's really nice. What we've got inside here. Okay, cloth hanger. हजुरले देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ यो एकदम पातलो छ तर it looks nice राम्रो देखिन्छ तर हल्का पातलो छ है. Okay, next one will be I think your magnet. हजुरहरूले देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ यो magnetic toy हो. Actually, you can play with it. You can play with it like. हजुर देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ यो it's a toy तर हजुरले आफ्नो पर्सनल युजको लागि पनि युज गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. यो पनि वेल प्याक छ. It comes with चारवटा गौतम बुद्धको statue in red, blue, green and yellow and orange color. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.